Welcome back to my channel and thanks for visiting to learn about selling covered calls against my stock portfolio. Today we will discuss NVIDIA stock as this is a holding in my portfolio. NVIDIA stock is experiencing a lot of volatility as the company grows rapidly. This volatility increases the options, premium prices, making it a good choice for this strategy. Selling covered calls against your stock can offer several advantages. 1. Generating additional income. By selling call options, you receive premiums, a cash payment, which can supplement your overall portfolio return. This additional income can be especially useful to provide extra retirement income or allow you to purchase more shares of the stock, basically with someone else's money. Growth stocks don't usually provide dividends, so this strategy is somewhat like receiving a dividend while waiting for that growth. 2. Lowering effective cost basis. When you sell a covered call, you commit to selling your stock at a specific price, the strike price, within a specific time period, option duration. In return, you receive a premium. If the stock price remains below the strike price, you keep the premium and effectively reduce your cost basis for owning the stock. When selling the covered call option, the strike price should be about 10-15% higher than the stock is currently trading at. So if the option is exercised, you will make a profit on the stock price going up and also the premium for selling the call option. 3. Downside protection. The premium received from selling the call option provides a buffer against potential stock price declines. Even if the stock price falls, you still have the premium as a cushion. The stock could drop $2 a share, but you received a premium equal to $3 a share. This gives you downside protection. 4. Sometimes if the market takes a substantial dip, the value of the call you have sold can be purchased back at a lower price than you sold it, which provides a profit for you. This is called buying to close an option position. Selling covered calls against your stock can also have downsides. 1. Remember that covered calls have some limitations too. For instance, if the stock price rises significantly, you might miss out on potential gains beyond the strike price. Additionally, selling covered calls involves risk, so it's essential to understand the strategy and consider your individual investment goals and risk tolerance. 2. If the stock you sell the calls on is traded in a taxable account, and the shares are taken away from you, called and sold, you could face tax consequences. 3. If you weren't expecting to hold the stock long term and the market corrects, you could be forced to hold on to the stock a lot longer than you might have wanted. Selling options can provide extra risk, and you should do your own due diligence when exercising any investment. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video. It would be amazing if you subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Please smash that like button and let others know about this information by sharing the video to your social media groups, as your support is greatly appreciated. Please comment below, as I love to hear others' points of view on my topics. I am a disabled senior. Subscriptions to my channel and likes of my videos make YouTube's system promote my videos to help people better understand the topics, and adds a few dollars each month to my income from the YouTube ads playing on my videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day.